Okay, so today we have a guava. I don't know if I've had a guava. I know of guavas, but I can't place a taste, so this is gonna be a first, I think.
I just like the Kern's guava juice. That stuff's good.
Ooh,
Alright. So you
look at
can
that.
eat it like an apple.
Oh, it smells really good.
Or you can spoon out that
Sand
flesh.
side. And I see them at nurseries all the time, but I haven't gone in for them because I don't know what they taste like. You just eat them like an apple?
Yeah, you can eat it like an apple. Or you can spoon out the innards.
Oh.
Because some people don't like the rind. Flesh.
Mm. I can see why. It's a little bit bitter. So I'm getting the apple vibes and some pear vibes, but also like a little bit of passion fruit vibes.
Yeah, it's guava.
Yeah.
That's just what it is. Itself.
It's good. I like it. It's different.
Oh. Eating.
I should have had slices like this.
That's why I cut it into slices.
And I took the other half and just... I'm sorry I'm like this. It's kind of like... Yeah, like a super mellow passion fruit.
That you eat like an apple.
Yeah. I really like this. From what I understand, there's a lot of range in the flavors too. Because I've seen so many different varieties being sold.
This one's on the mellower side of guava flavor, but it's still very good. There's other ones that are like,
I mean, it would make sense too, because if we got in a produce department, then it was very likely picked before it reached its prime.
yeah.
So it makes
Well,
sense
that's
that it
all
would be
produce.
mellow. Yeah, that's all produce. They're all picked early.
Casey, you left so much on there.
I'm sorry?
Wasteful.
Yeah, if you haven't tried guavas, definitely try these.
They're quite delicious.
We'll have to keep an eye out for like other varieties if we see them.
Casey,
What?
you ate my guava.
We should have got two.
You should.
I didn't know it was gonna be this good.
Hindsight's 2020.
Yeah. We don't talk about that. You want what I want to get into?
I had your other one that you left stuff on, so.
That's true. Yeah, and then the outer flesh is like how do I describe it? It's
Bittersweet.
yeah. It's got kind of the firmness of an apple.
Like your regular Fuji.
Yeah, but like not the intense sweetness that an apple has. It's more mellow, So kind of the firmness of an apple, with some of that passion fruit mellowness, mellow passion fruit, and then maybe like some pear.
I was thinking like flesh of a pear.
Yeah.
By an apple, or the flesh of an apple, and then a similar flavor to passion fruit.
Yeah. That's what I was trying to get at.
I got you.
So yeah, it's totally its own thing, and it's really good. I'm glad you got this.
I'm glad too. You ate my guava.